What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, there is a lot going on in the Bitcoin price. It is really fluctuating. We've been fluctuating all the way up to 24,000, down to 21,000. Guys, does this mean we're going to get a big breakdown, or are we going to keep pushing up and hopefully retest $25,000 by the end of the year? There's a lot going on in the Bitcoin price, guys, and today I'm finally going to do my giveaway for my Ledger Nano S, so stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see if you've won that ledger. And there's a few other coins I wanted to go over today. There is no time to waste, so make sure to subscribe and like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so check it out. As you can see here, since the beginning of the month, we've really been punching up. I was talking about that bull flag in one of my last videos. We punched up right out. I was talking about another flag being painted. We did end up moving up, but then we kind of ran into some chop here. And I think we're just basically following this wedge right now, kind of just bouncing around. This is like our range bound right here, or even down to this green line. Technically, it could be one or the other. If you noticed, the bases of each of the candles and wicks all stem down to this line down here. So theoretically, we could end up down to this line, theoretically, and that would be around a 16% drop. Now, if we only dropped to right here, those are like the kind of drops we've been having, around 7%. Nothing like a flash crash being all the way down here. Okay, so I think the probability of us getting down there is possible. If that does happen, I would be buying the dip right at 21.5. You know, for instance, it did go all the way down to 21.8. That would have been a good buying opportunity. I think there's a lot of room to the upside with Bitcoin. So you got to be trying to buy the dips, especially in the bull market. You guys know I've been really pushing that in the bull market, buy every dip you can. And there's a reason for that. With the bull market comes bullish times. So you got to understand, in a bull market, we're going to get those 10-20% retracements, but we will get a 30-40% pump out of it. Okay? And that's going to continue to happen, I think, until late 2021, maybe even early 2022. That's my projection for the next peak. And if you guys have seen, the past, each bull run has had those major peaks, major big 60 to 80% blow off. And I think that same kind of thing will happen again. I think it's going to happen again. So I think something will happen like this, maybe. Maybe we get a little bit of bounce, maybe a little chop down back down here, and then maybe hopefully another leg up, targeting $25,000. Okay? That's what we're looking for. We don't want to see, a big breakdown. Okay? And guys, I wanted to go over Electroneum. That's a very popular coin on my channel. We're still kind of just fluctuating around. We are below the red box right now. We did break some of those supports, but we are getting bounces here, okay? So there is another support right here, which was formed, okay? Right there. Move it up just a pinch, okay? Because it's matching this one right in here and right in here. Okay, so those are the touches we have to go by. And yes, there's maybe one back here somewhere. But I think it's still in that make it or break it moment, guys. It's lower high from previous hill, okay? But higher low. So it's like it's consolidating right here. It's going to be tightening up, okay? And then at the end of that consolidation phase over the next few days, there will be a breakout, okay? Now, I'm hoping it's a break to the upside, but even if it is a break to the downside, that could all be part of the plan. For instance, if it is bull theory, we could end up in a long sideways movement for months. And, that's something that would just be part of the plan there. But if the bull theory was already starting to peak out, this would start to move up and consistently be moving up, and we'd hit the green box before the end of next month easily. So that's what I think is going on with Electroneum, guys. There's just so much going on in that project, and coins in their infancy stage, I can't stress enough, do not sell or get rid of your HODL coin. It would just be so foolish to sell a coin at 0.00 something. Why would you do that? Okay, no matter where you bought it, even if you bought it at a cent or above, there's so much potential for this coin in the upturn. Why, sell out for maybe even a few $1,000? When my Electroneum got even just up to a cent from my recent buys, I was sitting on, 6 figure there. Should I sell it? No. Why would I sell it for something that's going to have so much more potential in the next few years? Okay, that's how I see it. Okay, guys, I hope you see it the same way. Now, one thing I want to talk about, guys, is giving crypto as a gift. Oh, before I do that, quick look at link. Quick look at link, guys. Look at this. A wick all the way down to $7, guys. Let me know if you caught that. I did not. For instance, this dip down this low, I don't think anyone saw coming here, guys. This is just impressive. Let me know if you guys were watching Chainlink, because I was telling you guys right here to be watching Chainlink here, see if we get another breakdown to this line. I think if you bought anywhere in this area, you're going to be fine, because this is going to pump right out of it. I don't think we're getting a big trend reversal. I'm not actually sure why this happened here. You know, this big wick down. Like, somebody sold a lot. Why? I'm not sure. You know, maybe they got in last year at $2 or $4 and were like, hey, I think a downtrend's coming. But, you know, I don't see one coming. This is definitely a big change in what's happened in the last few months. But in general, guys, you know, we bounced right off of that support right there that's being held. So I think that was just a recent low. Let me know if you guys got in under $10. That would be an excellent buy for Chainlink. Excellent. Okay, guys? And then I wanted to go over gifting crypto to loved ones this year. Just make sure that you educate them, okay? So cryptocurrency may seem like the perfect gift this year, but education is key when deciding how to do digital gifts. So there's a lot to read there, but I'm just going to tell you guys, when you're dealing with people that are new in cryptocurrencies, they don't understand any of it, okay? They're new to the whole term digital currency, okay? They're used to their credit cards, they're used to their cash money, they're used to, their, regular investments that they're used to. They're not used to cryptocurrency, for instance. And not just that, but the process itself. Using the wallets, using the passphrases, using the codes, every little thing. You don't have somebody to go to if something goes wrong. So you really have to tell them just how important it is to save your keys, write them down in 2 separate places, put them in 2 separate safes, make sure everything is safe so that they don't lose it. I know many people who have just lost Bitcoin over the years, and they're frustrated now at this point because they can't access their coins, they can't remember their passphrases, and that's just one of the worst feelings. I myself, in the early stages, I had a wallet hooked up called Newton Coin Project, and when I first wrote it down, I didn't write down the passphrases. And yeah, I don't have a lot of money on there, but in general, a couple $100 lost. So that's a horrible feeling, guys. Make sure you educate the people that you're trying to give gifts to. You don't want to give them the gift of stress. You want to give them the gift of knowledge and profit, okay? So the saying, not your keys, not your Bitcoin, may come to mind here, while hardware and paper wallets are known for being more secure forms of cryptocurrency storage. There are huge responsibilities that come along with these mechanisms. Dave Jevons, CEO of blockchain intelligence firm CipherTrace, told Cointelegraph that when sending crypto to a beginner, it is critical to ensure they understand the basic rule: your value, your responsibility. Jevons shared that this is essential for newcomers to comprehend the importance of safeguarding their private key, recovery phase, and storage, and having a secure place to store their crypto once it has been received, or else the risk of losing access to funds. For those considering a more mainstream approach, CryptoWendo told YouTuber Cointelegraph that she recommended New Year's to set up an account on a well-known exchange. She says, I don't like the idea of a newcomer setting up a ledger or a paper wallet, as this is very unrealistic and complicated. If a user loses their private keys, it's gone. In the instances with Coinbase or Celsius, for example, the crypto can be accessed easier. Now, guys, those exchanges, they have been hacked before, but they're getting much better at cybersecurity, I can say that. And, for newcomers, the ledger wallet, stuff like that, it's not that complicated, okay? You just got to get somebody that really knows their stuff, that cares about you, to sit down and teach you. And in reality, guys, that's what I'm trying to do with YouTube. I will try to explain this. I'm actually going to go over a ledger video and just how to use your ledger, how to access it, all those things. I'll be very transparent here, guys. I've just been so swamped with Christmas. I didn't know I'd be this busy this year, but with 2 kids, a family, and a lot going on, I've just been swamped. And guys, I hope you're having an excellent Christmas. It's in one day. I hope you got all your shopping done. I hope everything's going well and you and your families are just looking forward to the good times. I mean, stay safe as you can. Make sure everyone's healthy and doing well. You guys don't want to get sick. I hear all these horror stories of families getting together and more people getting sick and spreading the coronavirus. Guys, take care of yourselves. Make sure to do your due diligence on safety as well. And take care of yourselves out there. It's just a crazy world right now we live in. So there are alternative ways to be gifting crypto as well. So Keel shared that BitPay has seen a spike in users turning crypto into gift cards. During the months of November and December, gift card purchases using crypto have been our top performing category, he said. With well-known realtors like Amazon accepting gift cards purchased with Bitcoin through several native crypto services, this could be a great option for gifting crypto to newcomers, okay? And crypto donations are also on the rise, guys. Crypto donations are awesome. I've actually donated only small amounts to like small organizations, nothing large, but little things that I can afford to do. And I think that's a great way to give back. I think that money will really extrapolate for them if they don't just spend it right away. And here's a couple examples of that. So for example, Bitcoin Tuesday, which was scheduled for December 1st this year, encouraged users to make cryptocurrency donations to organizations such as Save the Children, No Kid Hungry, and the American Cancer Society. The Giving Block, the crypto donations company behind the virtual event, noted that this year's celebration was an order of magnitude bigger than last year's. Most recently, the Giving Block partnered with the American Cancer Society to create the first ever cancer research fund based exclusively on crypto donations. Alex Wilson, co-founder of the Giving Block, told Cointelegraph that donating cryptocurrencies creates a virtuous cycle of giving, noting that the higher market prices often result in more donations, leading to mainstream adoption. It's particularly beneficial this year because crypto assets prices have risen so dramatically, he said. It's also notable that the Salvation Army is accepting cryptocurrency donations this Christmas, launching its first ever crypto kettle in the United States West. This unique innovative allows donors to give Bitcoin and Ether directly to the Salvation Army, one of the largest charities in the world. In a recent blog post, the organization noted that these transactions are easy to make and most importantly come with tax benefits. The tax benefits associated with crypto donations are certainly a consideration to be taken into account. According to TaxBit's Cryptocurrency Gifts and Donations Tax Guide, donations cryptocurrency to a qualified charitable organization is not a taxable event. The guide further notes that donators will not realize income gain or loss from making a donation. Moreover, if a donor has held cryptocurrency for more than a year prior to the donation, they will be eligible for an individualized charitable deduction for the fair market value of the cryptocurrency at the time of contribution, in addition to not incurring a taxable gain on the appreciated asset. So Justin Woodward, a tax attorney at TaxBit, told Cointelegraph that there are tremendous tax incentives to donating cryptocurrencies through the unrealized gain position. Donating appreciative capital asset to a qualified charity allows you to avoid paying capital gains on the eventual sale, he said. And guys, I think that's really awesome. If you can give away, some crypto that you've been holding on to for, say like you bought Bitcoin back in any time before the big run in 2017. Giving away Bitcoin to these organizations, I think, is a really good way to give back. And you guys all know, if you've been sitting around for that long, just how much potential this can really have. I mean, even just look at the last year, guys, since March. That is incredible. All the way down to $3,000 some dollars, all the way up to over $20,000 some dollars. That's incredible. And I think with this kind of talk and these kind of things happening, it's just one big step closer to adoption and things pushing cryptocurrency in the right direction, guys. Everything really is lining up. That's why the price is rising. That's why we're going to continue to see the price rise. 2021 is going to be biblical. And they say here, next year may be crypto's tipping point. While there are clearly a number of ways to gift crypto this year, education is still key when it comes to deciding how to give back. Moreover, it is apparent that the widespread use of cryptocurrency is still very much underway. As such, Zelk from BitPay remarked that 2021 may be the tipping point for crypto to really become a cool gift to receive for special occasions. And guys, it is time, finally, for the Ledger Nano S giveaway. So let's go to the random number generator. Select a random number here. I'm going to do between 1 and the last 10 videos here. So we've got video 7. I'm going to go to video 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the 7th video here. Now, so we're going to click on that video. Click on the comment generator. Drum roll, please. So there's 9 commenters. Start the raffle. All right. And we have our winner, John Doe. I hope Bitcoin breaks up. Be so cool to see Sit finally break 20K. Epic channel, bud. Hey, man. John Doe, thank you so much for your comments. I've noticed you around since some of the very beginning. You've been around a long time. You are much deserved of this Ledger Nano S. Just contact me at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com within the next 24 hours and with your address, and I will send that out to you promptly, guys, or promptly, John Doe. Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy this ledger. If you have any questions or any questions at all, feel free to just inbox me, okay, and I'll help you out. And guys, that's all I have time for today. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. My channel's just making gains every single day, and we're up to 370 subscribers now, and it's just really moving along. I'm having a blast. I'm really having a great time. I can't wait until years from now when I have a bunch of subscribers and I can do giveaways all the time. That's really what I want to do. I want to give back what I can afford to do and help people make as much money as possible. And guys, if you're not making money yet, you're not subscribed to this channel, that's for sure. Make sure to slam that subscribe button, slam a like down, and share your crypto story, guys. I want to know all about it. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency with so much potential to the upside coming. Make sure you're hodling your bags during this bull market, guys. And I hope you guys have a really Merry Christmas. Enjoy your families, enjoy your friends, enjoy life. Take care of one another. Peace and love, guys. All right, I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.